Great, so now you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer, okay, for any operating system. And now I'm going to show you how you can configure it so you can easily follow the course and develop with C++. And the instructions here are going to be valid for any operating system. So I'm going to do something is to go on View here, Appearance, and zoom in. You can see you have the shortcuts, okay? Shortcuts may vary depending on your OS. Okay, and I'm going to basically zoom in a few times, okay? Because, well, it's quite small and it's going to be easier for you to read with this size. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install some extension. Okay, so here on the left, you can see we have the Explorer with our files that we're going to see later, then a bunch of stuff, and you can see this extensions. So one of the powerful functionality of VS Code is you can install plugins or extensions to improve the capabilities of the IDE. And I'm going to search for C++. And you can see here, so the first one is that one, C++ by Microsoft. So that's the one we want, okay? So I'm going to click on Install. So it's installing and now it's installed. This will allow you to have stuff like auto-completion for C++, which is super useful. Okay, so I'm going to close that. And then I'm going to search for Code Runner. And we are going to check Code Runner, so you should see that. So .run for the image. And you are going to also install that one. So basically you can't just run C++ code from your IDE, okay, you can write code, but then you will need to compile it and run it outside or using the terminal. With the Code Runner extension, we have a very simple tool that allows us to, as you can see here, we have a play button. So with the play button, we can run the code. So that's the two extensions we are going to use, C++, and then Code Runner. That's pretty much it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on Settings, so File, Preferences, Settings. Okay, I'm going here to search for, so on the left, Extensions, and then scroll and find Run Code Configuration. So Run Code Configuration is the configuration for the Code Runner extension we have just installed. Okay, we need just to check a few things here. So you can scroll down and, well, okay, actually it's already checked for me, but it will be like this for you. It's because I had some previous configuration on my computer. So you want to check Run in Terminal, and you want to check Save All Files Before Run, okay? So those are the two options we are going to need for this course. Okay, and now you can close the settings. So as you can see, everything you open is kind of a new tab on the top. So you just close that. And now I'm going to go back to Explorer, and we are going to clean a few things, okay? So you can go on View, Appearance, and then you can see Show, Bar, etc. So you have different bars that you can hide if you want to. And I'm going to unclick the Show Activity Bar. So as you can see, this is gone. And I'm going also to do Show Status Bar. Okay, you can see this is the one on the bottom. So Show Status Bar. Okay, so we have more space, at least for you to read on my screen, but you can keep the status bar on your computer. And then one important tip also is you can see this is the menu bar. Okay, thing is that if you click on Show Menu Bar and if you unclick that one, well, the menu bar is gone, and well, you can't just click on it anymore. So if you have done that, you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift and P, or maybe Command Shift and P on macOS, and search for Toggle Menu Bar, and you can click on that, and that's going to put the menu bar back in the screen. And then finally, I'm going to go full screen, so you can go on Appearance, full screen, or just press F11, and you are full screen. And the menu bar here, if you just want to show it in full screen, you just press on Alt, okay, and you have the menu bar. Okay, Alt to show it or just hide it. Okay, so that's the interface I'm personally going to use for this course. So for you, check the different view options and appearance to just be comfortable with what you write on your computer. Okay, and now we have everything ready to start writing C++ code. With this setup and configuration, everything should work correctly so you can focus 100% on learning C++ efficiently.